Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Beetroot Probiotic. We'll start by gathering our ingredients and equipment. You'll need fresh beetroots, filtered water, and a bit of salt. A clean jar and a fermentation airlock or lid are also essential. This process is surprisingly easy and yields a delicious, gut-friendly beverage. Let's get started on this exciting culinary adventure together. First, thoroughly wash your beetroots and chop them into small, uniform pieces. You can peel them if you prefer, but it's not strictly necessary. Next, dissolve about 1 tablespoon of non-iodized salt in 4 cups of filtered water to create your brine. Place the chopped beetroots into a clean 1-liter glass jar, then pour the brine over them, ensuring all the beetroot pieces are completely submerged. This prevents mold and encourages proper fermentation. Now seal your jar. If you have a fermentation airlock, use it. Otherwise, a loose-fitting lid will work, allowing gases to escape. Place the jar in a cool, dark spot at room temperature, ideally between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Check it daily for bubbles, which indicate active fermentation. After about 3 days, start tasting it. When it reaches your desired level of tanginess, it's ready. Once fermented to your liking, strain the liquid into a clean bottle, discarding the solids or using them in other recipes. Store your homemade beetroot probiotic in the refrigerator, where it will last for several weeks. Enjoy a small glass daily for its potential health benefits. It's a refreshing and vibrant drink. Remember to check the description below for a link to some fantastic darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty and other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.